Hi everyone, my name is Robert Eldridge and I'm the president of Montridge Insurance Services. We are a full service consultant firm located throughout the United States. Today's video discussion is going to be a little bit about business insurance. You might be watching this video because you want to know what are the types, how much does it cost, and what exactly is it. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to go over some of this, and then I'm also going to make some other videos that goes into this in more depth. So most business insurance policies have property and casualty lumped together. They also usually include liability, which is what you always need, by the way. You might have commercial auto, maybe some buildings, things of that you might own. Workers' compensation for your employees, business interruption insurance, and scripted policies are things like for actors, sports stars, things of that nature, because you are the business. Now, property and casualty are usually lumped together. They cover things like property damage, other things to do with property theft, things of that nature, and that's why they're usually lumped together. Liability, we live in a world where everybody's sue happy, and you might have some negligence because of employees, things of that nature. And if you don't have proper liability coverage, it could sink your company and you're done, you're out of business. Commercial auto, again, it's another risk because when you have commercial vehicles out there on the road, chances are they'll probably have an accident and maybe it's a fault of an employee or not, but you want to make sure you're covered on that, as well as buildings as well. Workers' compensation, every state requires it, and that's one of the things you got to look at. Sometimes workers' comp is usually a separate policy, but when I did this video on business insurance, again, I'm kind of lumping all this together. And it's also kind of like an a la carte menu. Certain businesses will need certain things and riders versus other businesses. For example, maybe your business sells alcohol or liquor. Depending on what it is, you might have a rider for liquor liability. Again, each business is different, and the key to proper risk management is having that conversation with your broker. And we just say, okay, what do you got? Where is it at? Where's the locations? How much do you do in this business? How many employees? We look at all the risks so we can properly do a quote, submit it to the underwriters. That way you're not paying for insurance that you don't need. Therefore, you save yourself some money. And that's key to all risk management insurance. So we look at all these different things. We also look at different riders, other exposures you may have that you might not be aware of, and we get you a proper quote. So again, we always like to close with the opportunity, ask you for the opportunity for your business, work with you and your company to see what proper risk management we can put on your business for you and your business. Thank you very much for your time today, folks. Bye-bye now.